Hello students, I am Dr. Aarti Gupta, Professor of Chemistry, Government Dr. W. Patankar, Girls PG College, Durg. Hello students, today I will explain the topic selection rule. This topic is from MSc second semester, paper 1, unit 2, electronic spectra and magnetic properties of transition metal complexes. Selection rules explained by the following points. Introduction, selection rules for electronic transition, types of selection rules and breakdown of selection rules. Before we learn the selection rules, let us know what is electronic transition. When a molecular species absorbs electromagnetic radiations, a change in the arrangement of electrons in orbitals of the molecular species take place. In this change, electrons are promoted from a ground state energy level to excited state energy level. This promotion of electrons is called electronic transition. Thus, the electronic transitions take place due to absorption of radiation by molecular species. From the diagram, it is clear that electrons are promoted from low energy level to high energy level. Now we discuss how selection rules help us to identify allowed and forbidden electronic transitions. The absorption of light radiation by a molecular species follows certain rules which are known as selection rules. These rules help us in identifying the allowed and forbidden electronic transition. Allowed transitions produce bands while forbidden transitions do occur but much less frequently, and they are consequently of much lower intensity. The appearance or non-appearance of absorption band is confirmed by selection rules. Number of bands and their intensity obtained in a spectrum is decided by selection rules. They are of two types, spin selection rule and orbital or Laplace selection rule. First one is spin selection rule. According to this rule, the electronic transitions which take place between the two energy levels having the same multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1, are called spin allowed electronic transition, and having the different multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1, are called spin forbidden electronic transitions. If two electrons are present in a s subshell and one of these electrons get excited to p subshell, there will be two possibilities of spin of excited electron, out of which one will be allowed transition and another will be forbidden electronic transition. From the diagram, it is clear that when the electrons spin in opposite direction, that is allowed, and when the electron spin is same direction, that is forbidden. In allowed transition, S is plus half and minus half, so it is 0 and the multiplicity is 1. And now consider forbidden transition. Here S is plus half and plus half, so it is 1 and the multiplicity is 3. In this way, transition in singlet state and triplet state are allowed and forbidden respectively on exciting one electron from two electrons of S subshell. In the same way, allowed transition and forbidden transition are 3T1G to 3T2G and 3T1G to 1T2G respectively. Then breakdown of selection rules. In forbidden transition, sometimes very weak band is produced This is known as breakdown of selection rules. Breakdown of spin selection rule is due to spin orbital coupling, and breakdown of orbital selection rule is due to mixing of two orbitals. Then breakdown of spin selection rule. In forbidden transition, sometimes very weak band is produced. This is known as breakdown of spin selection rule. Breakdown of spin selection rule is due to spin orbit coupling, that is LS coupling. A metal ion has two states, ground state that is 1s0 and excited state that is 3p. After LS coupling, 3p excited state term gets further splitted into three energy labels, that is 3p0, 3p1 and 3p2 states. The resultant angular momentum is sum of the spin and orbital angular momenta. The resultant angular momentum of 1s0 state and 3p0 are equal. So these two states will combine to give two new states. One state will have energy less than 1s0 and other state will have energy more than 3p0. Now, low energy state will slightly be affected by 3p0 and high energy state will slightly be affected by 1s0. In this way, these two new states produce partially allowed transition, that is 1s to 3p. Second one is orbital selection rule. Orbital selection rule is also called Laporte selection rule. According to this rule, the excitation of an electron from one shell to another results in change in azimuthal quantum number. The transition in which azimuthal quantum number changes are allowed transitions, and in which it does not change are forbidden transitions. From the diagram, it is clear that when electron jumps from p orbital to d orbital, the transition is allowed, and when the electron jumps in the same orbital, that is p orbital to p orbital, the transition is forbidden. Second one is breakdown of orbital selection rule. In forbidden transition, sometimes very weak band is produced. This is known as breakdown of orbital selection rule. Breakdown of orbital selection rule is due to the mixing of two orbitals. Example, there are two complexes, figure A and figure B. It is clear that in figure A, there is no center of symmetry because metal ion is attached with two types of ligands, that is 5 ammonia and 1 chloride ligand. But in figure B, there is center of symmetry because metal ion is attached with all 6 ammonia ligands only. Both the octahedral complex figure A is not symmetrical, that is having no center of symmetry, but figure B is symmetrical, that is having center of symmetry. However, in figure A complex, the metal ligand bonds vibrate. It means D and P orbitals get mixed. So the ligands spend an appreciable amount of time out of their centrosymmetric equilibrium position. Thus, a very small amount of mixing occurs and low intensity spectra is observed. Thanks.